Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Magma Charm and how it boosts your chance to catch the Magma Shark and fish it. First just head to the Kohana Volcano and then just go to over here. This one. This charm will cost 20,000 coins. Just tap on buy and then yes, like this. And then next just go to your items and then choose charms and then just equip your charms like this. Its main function is to boost your chance of catching the Magma Shark, and one Magma Charm will give you a boost for 30 catch. After you reach 30 catch, the boost effect will disappear, so make sure you use it wisely. And okay, maybe that's it. That's how you can get and use the Magma Charm and fish it. Just good luck, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.